Now this figure 18-74 shows the power sources that are permitted to supply the pump installation where the authority having jurisdiction approves such an installation. And notice the power in the illustration call out can be a service or an on-site generator. In accordance with 695.3A1 and A2 of the code. So in the illustration, we see the utility power coming in, and then we see a utility transformer, a service, a separately derived system that may be involved. We see an on-site power production generator that could be used in accordance with Article 645. Some of the rules are listed there. Article 700, 701, 702, after you classify the generator. We'll get into that a little later on classifying our generators, but this illustration is just basically showing your fire pump controller, the piping, the fire pump, the power sources, being a utility transformer or an on-site production generator that you might be using. And that's what this figure 18-74 is showing. But notice your power source does have to be reliable. For example, if it's a utility, you would go to NFPA 20A9.2.3, item 4, and it says that the utility power could not go down in 4 hours collectively and still be considered a reliable power source, usually by the authority having jurisdiction. And figure 18-74 is illustrating these two sources of power systems that could supply a fire pump.